Classic, y'all. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check, ladies and gentlemen. Keep in mind, y'all, this is like one of the first sound checks that nobody had any sleep. No sleep at all. Everybody's up, and we've been traveling. Ham right there, you can see, taking care of business like always. And all them dancers and everybody. Oh, it's gonna look nice, man. This is the stadium right here. Dre looks cool, huh, Dre?
Yeah, it's a nice setup, man.
Yeah.
I like it.
This is what it's about, y'all. Showtime's coming tonight in Canada. Hammer time. Pleasure Ellis. Big Dre.
It's cool.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Angie just killed it, y'all.